welcome back to the channel. It's me again, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, as you can probably see from the title, and also a review of my new gaming monitor, the AOC 24G2. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into it.
Okay, so you can see right now that I got the package. I ordered this online from Lazada for 690. So the original price of this monitor was 990, but as you can guess, I bought this during the 12/12 sale. So you can see I'm getting on all out. So the monitor that I got right here is the AOC 24G2. You can see right there it says 144 Hz, and it does support AMD's FreeSync, which is compatible with NVIDIA's G-Sync, and I'll explain more about that later. And it's an IPS panel, 24 inches, and has HDMI two HDMI ports, and then there's one display port. And there's also a jack for you to connect a speaker or your headphones so that you can hear some sound. You don't have to get a speaker necessarily. And right there you can see me struggling to get it out. Bit of a struggle, but I'm alright. So you can see right there on top of the package there's that big piece, looks like a V shape. That's the base, and right on the right side you can see a package with a CD inside that has the user manual and the warranty card. This is a 3 years warranty, by the way. So yeah, and right below that, above that, you have the neck of the monitor. You can see right there we have the cables, the power cord, and also the display port cable, which comes for free. And then this is the base, and then we have the neck for the monitor. And then if you lift this styrofoam right up, below it lays the main thing, which is the screen. So we'll look at that in the end, because that's the last thing to assemble. So I'm just taking out here to show you guys, and I'm just gonna put this aside. Okay, we put that aside. So now let's look at what we have again. So I'm just opening all this up. Grab my knife real quick. So, yep, so we have the user manual and the warranty card. Important to keep that, and a digital version of the user manual. And then we have the power cord, 3-pin plug, display port cable. This is the base. It's really easy installation process. You don't need a screwdriver, you can just use your fingers. I'll show you how in a minute. So this is the neck of the monitor. So it's really good build quality, and that hole I just showed you is for better cable management. I'll show you in a bit how I made use of that. So right here I'm installing. I'm so sorry it didn't get caught on camera, but I'll show you in a minute on how I screw it in. Yeah, so right below that there's a screw which is made in a way so that you can actually just use your hand. You don't have to have a screwdriver with you. Really easy. And now actually it's very simple. I just installed the neck to the base, and right now just need to connect it to the monitor. It's a simple snap process, like snap, done. Okay, so this is the part where you guys actually see the monitor. It has really thin bezels and I really like it. I'll show you guys how it looks in a minute. And there it is, AOC 24G2.
Hey guys, so right now I'll show you some of the features of this monitor. So first of all, as you can see right here, I'm editing the video that you're going to watch. You're probably watching right now. So as you can see, the monitor has a height adjustment, can go quite high. Yep, that's quite high. And there's also a tilt, that's like the maximum tilt, and it can go straight again, and then it can go up, and then it can also come down really easily. Just that. And also definitely you can turn the monitor, and if we turn the monitor, you can see right here, as I mentioned previously, there's a small hole here, and this is for the cable management. As you can see, I have my power cable right here, and also the display port to the mini display port I have connected to my laptop right here. So it's quite an easy setup, and you can actually adjust it any way you want it. If you are tall, you want it higher, you want to watch a movie, you can adjust it quite high. If you want to be if you prefer it to be at a lower height, you can just bring it down. You want it to be facing up a bit, just bring it down. It's quite sturdy actually. If you can see right now, I'm going to just shake my table. My computer screen actually, my laptop screen actually moves more than this monitor itself. It does move a bit, but it's quite stable with this big strong base. So yeah guys, so now let me show you how the system UI works. So to access the menu for the monitor, you just have to press this button here. There's actually like 5 buttons down here. The first one from the right is the power button, and then we have the menu button. So we're just gonna press that, and then there's 2 arrows. It's really easy to navigate actually. So you can see there's the color setup. Everything is pretty much I left it at default at how I got it, except the game setting. So this monitor, as I said before, has a AMD FreeSync, which actually works with NVIDIA G-Sync, but you got to make sure that the AMD FreeSync, wait, menu disappeared. Okay, so the AMD FreeSync is on default, is actually on, but you want to turn your game overdrive to strong. So this in default, you want to access the menu, you just gotta double press it. Okay, use the arrows, navigate straight to overdrive. When I got the monitor at default, it was at off. You want to change it to strong, so you won't get any screen tearing. Everything will be okay. And if you want to monitor your screen's refresh rate, you can just access this and right up, and if you enable that and just go back, you can see right there it's 144 Hertz. So that's nice. Then the 5th button, which is the last one and the first from the left, is actually for you to navigate through the ports. So you can see here you have a display port, which is how my laptop is connected right now. You have HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and I'm not sure whether is it a SUB or SVB? I'll find out and probably put it in the video. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's probably been more than a week since I've actually used this monitor. I think to be exact, it's been 2 weeks. Yeah, so it's been really great experience. I really like the monitor, and also the fact that the NVIDIA's G-Sync works so great with AMD's FreeSync. So what is all this FreeSync and G-Sync about? So it's basically to prevent your if you're playing a game, to prevent screen tearing. So what happens in screen tearing is your monitor has 144 Hz refresh rate, and your GPU maybe can also output 144 refresh rate in your games. But to make sure that your monitor and your GPU are in sync, you have to enable G-Sync or FreeSync depending on what kind of GPU you have. If it's AMD's, then it works with AMD FreeSync, but NVIDIA's G-Sync also actually works with FreeSync, so you don't have to worry about that. So I didn't get any screen tearings of any sort. It was a really great experience. The screen can get actually really bright. I don't use it at 100% brightness. When I edit my videos, it's at 50%, and usually when I when I edit videos, it's at 70%, and when I play games, also 70%. But when I want to watch content YouTube videos or movies, I actually bring it down to 30 or 40 because it can get really bright. Other than that, I really like how you can actually adjust the height of the monitor. Sometimes I want to sit on my bed and watch a movie. It's quite far, and I can actually view the movie with perfect viewing angles. Everything's great. Probably one thing that might be a downside for you guys is the red accent that is present on the base of the monitor and also below the screen like there's a red accent. So if you guys have like a certain theme, like a colored theme to your setup, like maybe other colors than red, this might not be for you. I don't know. I don't actually have a theme. Like my laptop has a red accent, my monitor has a red accent, so I'm cool with that. Maybe you guys like might not want a monitor with a red accent. I get that. This monitor actually also doesn't have like an inbuilt speaker, but you can just connect a speaker straight away to the monitor. There's a output jack for audio, so that's great.